Are you ready to embark on an exciting journey into the world of web application development? Look no further. Welcome to GSK EdTech, your one-stop destination for all things web development. Whether you're a complete beginner eager to learn the ropes or an experienced developer looking to stay up to date with the latest trends and technologies, our channel has something for everyone. We've got you covered with tutorials, tips, and insights that will help you unlock the full potential of web application development. What you can expect from GSK EdTech. 1. In-depth tutorials on popular programming languages, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Python, etc. 2. Step-by-step guides on building web applications from scratch. 3. Reviews and comparisons of the latest development tools and frameworks. 4. Practical tips and best practices for efficient coding. 5. Real-world case studies and problem-solving sessions. 6. Question and answer sessions where we answer your burning questions. No matter your skill level, our goal is to make web development accessible and enjoyable for everyone. You'll find everything you need to kickstart your journey or take your skills to the next level. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our growing community of web developers, and together, let's explore the endless possibilities of web application development. Get ready to code, create, and innovate. Welcome to GSK EdTech, where your web development adventure begins. Find more videos in the description and join our Telegram channel for more updates. Thank you.